I thought it was wonderful.
I thought it was just amazing. It was really, really moving.
Oh, it was excellent. It's the first time I've ever been to an opera, so it was a good first choice.
The music and the story, and I thought the singing was phenomenal. It was fantastic.
The conductor perfect, and I like the orchestra very much, always.
I really loved the lighting. It was very dramatic, reminded me of Romanticist art.
Violetta was absolutely stunning. All the main characters were lovely, and it's such an affecting ending. There wasn't a dry eye in the house.
Yeah, I cried like a baby towards the end.
It's definitely better than going to see a movie. I would describe it as that, I think.
Incredible. I'd never been to opera before, so yeah, it was quite a stark contrast to a gig, but yeah, it was brilliant.
It's so dramatic, and it's so touching, and it's so beautifully done as well.
It kind of exceeded my expectations. I enjoyed it more than I expected to.
Perfect, it's great. I think it's just the production, I think it's so classy, and I think the singing's brilliant, so I'd just say go, go, go.